Hi, this is Ajay Jangid in this video and you are watching Jogi and You. You will be learn today a question related to factorial, which is why is n plus 1 factorial is equals to n plus 1 n factorial. So for solving this, just make a blank space here and now you have to know something about the factorial. What is factorial? By the way friends, Creative Corners Timeout is back again in a new avatar. It's time to explore your creativity while you learn, so get set to learn something new. So it's a learning festival which is absolutely free for all age from 12 and above. All you need to do is just register in advance and attend all the seasons. Spend a full day with creative professionals, brilliant performers and master of the trade. Every scientist, engineer, doctor, magician and artist was once a learner just like you. So give wings to your imagination and learn without limits. Put on your creative hats and get ready for the Unacademy's Time Out 2021. And the most exciting part is you can win a subscription for Creative Corners by submitting us a video of yourself recreating something that you learned in our Time Out seasons. The date is 31st January and the time is 9 am onwards. All the links are given in the description. Go and register yourself. So let's get back to the question. So just know about the factorial. What is it? So factorial of a positive integer, it's a product of all positive integers, or we can say that product of all natural numbers which are less than or equal to itself. In other words, if n is some positive integer, then the factorial of n is the product of every natural number till n. In mathematics, the factorial of a positive integer n is denoted by n factorial. Here I placed a arrow also cause this symbol indicates the factorial. We can write any number's factorial like this. So firstly, let's understand it and then we will solve it. So first of all, how will we expand this factorial n according to the definition? So I told you, according to the definition, the multiple of all the natural numbers n and the smaller than n will be called factorial n. So let's see, here we write n factorial is equals to n multiplied by n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 till 3 to 1. All the natural numbers from 1 to n, the multiple of this will be our factorial n. Let's just understand it numerically. We took an example here as 5 factorial. So the expansion of this 5 factorial will be 5 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1 according to the definition. So this is our 5 factorial, or you can say that the value of factorial 5. And if you want to calculate it, then our calculation will be 120. So I hope it's clear that what is factorial. So just come back to our original question, which is n plus 1 factorial is equals to n plus 1 n factorial. So we took the expansion of it with the example, then we will solve it theoretically. So in the example, we replaced n with 4. So after replacing, we got on the left side 4 plus 1 factorial and on the right side 4 plus 1 multiply 4 factorial. So on the both side, the 4 plus 1 will be 5. So we got 5 factorial on the left and on the right 5 multiply 4 factorial. So on the right side, keep 5 as it is and open 4 factorial according to the definition. That means 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. Now open this left side which is 5 factorial. And here we got inclusive 5 below that all natural numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So our left side is exactly equals to the right side. So numerically we have proved it, but we will do it theoretically also. So see how to do it. We took our question here. So we just expand this n factorial on the right side, because if I expand all the factorials together, then it will be very confusing. So I'm only doing one from the right side. So firstly we will expand this n factorial only. So for expanding n, multiple all the n and smaller than n natural numbers. So our work will be done. Now we get n multiply n minus 1 multiply n minus 2 till 3 to 1 on the right side. So our right side is totally expanded. So now we see on the left side what we have. We have n plus 1 factorial. So we do the factorial of whole bracket. So n plus 1 factorial means all the small numbers will be multiplied with n. So our expansion is n plus 1 multiply n minus 1 multiply n minus 2 till 3 to 1. Here just take a look carefully. The left side of the equation is exactly equals to the right side. So we can cancel it out, and after solving this, we have 1 is equals to 1, which is LHS equals to RHS. We started it from here, and that is what we have to prove, and we have proved it. Here, you can clearly observe the part of the second expansion is equal to the first expansion. So friends, did you see how easy this question was? So friends, if you like my videos, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for such more videos. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.